Welcome to the channel of Top Tips for Entrepreneur. You will get tips for building a successful business. Let's watch our next video. We hope that the following tips are very useful for your business.
Have you ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others struggle to survive? The answer may lie in a concept known as design thinking. This is not just about aesthetics. It's a problem-solving approach that puts human needs at the forefront. It's a process steeped in empathy, experimentation, and iteration, enabling businesses to step into their customers' shoes, identify their needs, and find innovative solutions to meet those needs. Design thinking is a potent tool in the arsenal of any business. It's the secret sauce that allows businesses to truly understand their customers, to create innovative solutions that resonate, and ultimately, to drive growth. It's the bridge that connects businesses to their customers in meaningful ways, fostering customer loyalty and driving competitive advantage. So how does design thinking work in the real world? Let's dig into some case studies. Consider the story of Airbnb, a global giant in the hospitality sector. This unicorn company, which now boasts millions of listings worldwide, was once a tiny startup on the brink of failure. But through the application of design thinking, Airbnb not only survived but thrived, reshaping the hospitality industry in the process. How did they do it? Well, the founders of Airbnb took an unusual step. They booked rooms on their own platform and lived the experience of their users. This wasn't a mere experiment. It was an immersion in the customer journey, a deep dive into understanding what their users truly needed and wanted. They didn't just walk a mile in their customers' shoes, they booked a room in their customers' shoes. This hands-on approach provided them invaluable insights. They experienced firsthand the challenges and opportunities that their users faced. This empathy, this user-centric perspective, is a vital element of design thinking. It allowed them to reimagine and redesign their platform from the ground up, creating a more intuitive, user-friendly experience. The result? A meteoric rise to success. Airbnb has become synonymous with unique travel accommodations and local experiences, providing a fresh, innovative alternative to traditional hotels. Airbnb is a shining example of the power of design thinking, but it's not the only one. Now let's take a look at PepsiCo, a multinational food, snack, and beverage corporation. PepsiCo's story under the leadership of its former CEO, Indra Nooyi, is a testament to the transformative power of design thinking. Nooyi, understanding the need for innovation in a saturated market, implemented design thinking across the company. This was not a small task, but her vision was clear. She wanted to drive growth and innovation from within. This approach led to a significant shift in PepsiCo's product line. The company started to focus more on healthier options, answering to the evolving needs and tastes of their customers. This was not just a matter of introducing new products, but also a reimagining of customer experiences. This innovative approach led to the creation of products that not only met customer expectations, but exceeded them. But it's important to remember that PepsiCo is not a small startup. It's an established corporation with a long history and a global presence. Yet, they were able to successfully implement design thinking and use it to rejuvenate their business. This underlines the versatility of design thinking. It's not just a tool for startups to disrupt industries, it's a mindset that can help any business innovate, evolve, and grow. As we can see, design thinking can be a game changer for businesses of all sizes and sectors. So, what can we learn from these stories? From the tales of Airbnb and PepsiCo, it's clear that design thinking is a powerful tool. It's a user-centric, empathetic, and iterative approach to problem solving. It encourages us to step into the shoes of the user, to really understand their needs and wants. Then we create, test, and refine solutions, always keeping the user at the heart of the process. The benefits of design thinking for businesses are significant. By focusing on the user, we gain an improved understanding of our customers. This knowledge allows us to create products and services that truly resonate with them. But that's not all. Design thinking also fosters innovation. It encourages us to challenge the status quo, to think outside the box. This leads to unique, creative solutions that can set us apart from the competition. And with innovation comes growth. So whether you're an entrepreneur or a business leader, Design thinking can provide you with the tools you need to succeed in today's competitive business landscape.
So there you have it, folks, our tips to run your business. Best luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our video. See you in our next video.